Hi guys, I'm making this video for my subject PIT 307 assignment 2. So basically this assignment was regarding the use of services such as big data, Internet of Things and cloud services, and we were supposed to like implement um, big data, Internet of Things and cloud services in a virtual environment and demonstrate their usability. Um, so before that, will discuss about these three things. Um, these There was recently a survey conducted by Forbes, and it it has it turned out that these guys are playing pretty crucial role in most of the companies and businesses around these days. So as you can see, IoT, it stands for Internet of Things, and it is really very important for all sectors such as business intelligence, research and development, sales, information technology, and similarly, um, the big data. It is playing its critical role in data warehouse optimization, customer and social analysis, clickstream analytics, Internet of Things, fraud detection. It's not as popular with the fraud detection, but it's still playing a crucial role. And also the um, cloud architecture requirements are getting bigger and bigger every day. Relational database support, open client connector. Um, all this information has been sourced from um, Forbes September 2016 edition, and Desmond Advisor Services have conducted the survey and summarized these studies. So moving forward into our assignments, let's look forward to the practical aspect. So the first thing that we're gonna do is the all right. So let's start with the OnCloud. So as you can see, I've configured OnCloud in my VirtualBox, and this is the IP address for the one, and these are the login details. So let's go to my web browser now, and as you can see here, I've logged into OnCloud using localhost port 4443, and I'm using an enterprise edition for OnCloud over here. It has got like 30 days of trial period, and but I found it really good. So as you can see, my username and password have been already saved by my web browser. Let's log in, and so this is our interface, and this is my cloud. So basically, as you all know, OnCloud is a cloud service. You can access your for file sharing and everything else, and it gives you increased security. And so as you can see here, I've got some folders here in my documents folder. I've got my assignment uploaded, and in photos I've got some photos uploaded. So this is a convenient way of storing your data over the clouds and using your local servers. It's a really friendly and efficient um, uh, source to do this. So it has got very helpful GUI interface and pretty easy to use. So these are the various things available, and you can attach an external storage as well to it. When it comes, you can assign new users. So as you can see, I've got two users here, admin and Anmol. Anmol, I'm the second user, although I've given myself the admin rights as well. And you can further do various changes according to your business needs, and you can allow public uploads to your server. You can allow resharing of stuff. There's a whole lot of things you can do. It's pretty good, pretty reliable, and pretty handy, easy to use. Next, we'll be looking forward to our big data store. So guys, yeah, moving forward, we'll be looking forward to our next thing, and that is our big data handler. So we are gonna use Cassandra. Cassandra is a non-relational database. It's really huge. It's being used by many well-known companies all around the world, as you can see here. These are the Cassandra users: HP, IBM, Cisco, Facebook. It's really huge, and it has got like great perspective. So I've got Cassandra installed and working in my machine already. Uh, let's head to it. Cassandra. So this is our OPS center. This is a community center edition. Just for the trial run. And as you can see here, this is our dashboard, and it has a test cluster has been provided to us anyways, and it tells us about the cluster health, storage capacity, whatever write requests we are getting, and it's in a pretty healthy state at the moment because no data has been uploaded and stuff, and it is pretty friendly, and you can like add as many as metrics you want to choose, whatever you graphs. It's very user friendly. For example, we want to see non-heap max, and we want to add all nodes into it, and we just simply add this metric and save the graph. And as you can see, we got the new one here. Cassandra is a really useful. There are a large list of reasons why it is being preferred by so many companies worldwide. Cutting it short, Cassandra is really helpful and very easy when it comes to scale outs, and moreover, it gives us high write throughputs, and lower costs are involved. So when it comes to scale out, it's really easy. We simply add a node, and the data simply gets um, divided between the two nodes, and it gives itself a chance by automatically rebalancing itself. At the moment, we got just one node, and it's really healthy because we haven't got much data on here. But when it goes to higher levels, as you can see, is like the node size is really small. But when it comes to the actual business environments, a huge amount of data is involved, and the best part about Cassandra is you can simply go to cluster actions, and you can add a node, and you can add as many nodes as you want, and you can expand the data center, as you can see the option here. Since this one is a community edition, it won't let me add the nodes, but this is how Cassandra works, and now we'll be further looking forward to the Internet of Things. So guys, moving forward, this is our the last machine that we'll be discussing today, Internet of Things. So I'm using TinyCo for this one. I've installed TinyCo in my VirtualBox. So just a brief introduction. TinyCo is a Linux. So it's a Linux distribution, and it's literally the smallest operating system that is available out there. It's even smaller than the Puppy Linux. The size varies from 7 to 12 megabytes, and it's pretty easy. It can be booted from a USB, from anything. It simply boots itself from the storage into the RAM, and it's surprisingly it's really reliable. It's really fast, obviously, because being the operating system is so light in itself, it offers tremendous speeds, and So this is a very basic version of Tiny Core. As you can see here, we got our control dashboard here, and it gives us various features such as editor, control panel, apps, run program, mount tools, terminal. Um, if you look forward into apps, um, so uh, it allows you to search into the app store. It has got, you can look into apps, browse. So as you can see, as per your needs, you can use the various apps that you need. A lot of things are available from Google, a lot of things, and it's pretty unique in itself. Honestly, I'm surprised. It's an operating system in itself at such a low size, and so this was our last part, tiny core. So this is end of my assignment too, and I hope you guys enjoyed the thing. Thank you.